Human rights are for everyone, boys and girls, men and women. While more than 50% of the population in the Gambia are women, they represent less than 7% of the National Assembly members. In line with the theme of the International Women's Day 2023, Digital, Innovation and Technology for Gender Equality, we celebrate the women and girls in technology who have transformed their lives and communities.
Women's rights are human rights. We may seem to be repeating this slogan often, and it may seem obvious. But the emphasis is that a society thrives when both women and men enjoy equal rights and opportunities. The Gambia government has demonstrated its commitment over the years through the Women's Act 2010 and several international human rights instruments, such as CEDAW, which is the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women in 1979, and the Protocol to the African Charter on Human and People's Rights on the Rights of Women in Africa in 2003. But more needs to be done. So we urge the government to increase and maintain high levels of literacy amongst women and girls and encourage more women and girls in technology. Also ensure prosecution of gender-based violence, trafficking in persons, and child marriage and FGM, amongst others, and deliberately move from policy to actual implementation of empowerment and equality for our women and girls.
Technology has great potential to transform the lives of women and girls around the world. Many women now use technology to grow their businesses, to gain economic and empowerment, and also use it to raise their voices for the purpose of advocacy and empowerment. On the other hand, women and girls remain vulnerable to online violence and exploitation, such as sexual exploitation, sexual harassment, and human trafficking. We must create the platform to ensure that women enjoy the full potential of technology and innovations that it brings, while putting in place mechanisms that protect women and girls and prosecute all forms of abuse, especially online exploitation.
Gender equality is not only a fundamental human right, it is a necessary foundation for a peaceful, prosperous, and sustainable Gambia. These are some of our prominent Gambian women. Nyimasata Sane Bojang, first female elected National Assembly member. Louise Antoinette Njai, first female cabinet member. Sally P.C. Njai, first librarian, National Library. Asi Florence Peters Mahoney, author, historian, first female PhD holder. Augustus Jawara, registered nurse, playwright, and women's rights activist. Mariam Jack Denton, first female lawyer, former Speaker of the National Assembly. Dr. Satang Nabane, first UTG student to become a PhD holder. Jaha Dukure, first Gambian to be nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize. Dr. Patience Sonko Godwin, historian.
Hello, my name is Aminata Jawara. I am a scientific officer at the Medical Research Unit. I do research on malaria, parasitology, and molecular biology at the unit. I do sample collection, sample processing, different assays on different projects at the unit. There are so many opportunities in the STEM field in the Gambia, and if there's anyone that's interested in pursuing a career in this field, I would highly recommend for the individual to do so, especially women.
My name is Bintu Sane, a student studying peace and conflict in MDI. I am visually impaired, and through technology I have been able to complete my high school and now studying in MDI. Technology has really helped me when it comes to using my phone and also my laptop. After my grade 12, I am now familiar with using the laptop to be able to do my work, do my assignments, and also be able to send messages. And even with my phone, I can be able to also view messages and also write notes and send emails here and there. So I believe as a woman, I have faced a lot of challenges throughout, but I believe technology has also helped me to be able to overcome those challenges that has come my way.
I am working with Forte Innovations to help Gambian government and also Gambian-based companies in helping them collecting quality and timely data that will help them make evidence-based decisions that will help their companies or institutions make better decisions in the future. I am wishing every single woman and girls a happy International Women's Day, and wishing you all the best and hoping that you never give up, keep working hard, and don't let being a woman stop you from achieving your goals.
On International Women's Day, the National Human Rights Commission reaffirms its commitment to promoting and protecting the rights of women and girls. We stand with women and girls and encourage the government to do more in enforcing laws that respect, protect, and fulfill their rights.
Happy International Women's Day to all the women and girls. Equality for all.